I'm in my car right now. It is kind of late, but this weekend I am going to be out of town, going to Disneyland on Sunday. So I'm just trying to tie up a bunch of loose ends, but I wanted to get this video too because there are some really good deals. So if you want to check them out, definitely watch this video, and yeah, let's start saving. So I'm picking up the ad this week, and there's the big book of savings you can pick up at the front door. The first deal I'm going to get is these avocados. They are on promotion this week, so I'm going to get one of these. They are the little ones, but it'll totally work out. We need bananas, so I'm going to be picking up these. They're 69 cents a pound. So I'm going to pick up like 3 bundles. I've really been enjoying these red potatoes, so I'm going to pick up one of these bags for breakfast. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this, but this is the price per count. So it's 2 cents, but there's a promotion on these this week for buy one, get one, 50% off. So I'm going to get 2 of these since my husband needs them. So my husband wants these tortillas. These are the closest ones to my mom's from Costco. So I'm going to pick these up. Those are the organic ones, and they're $1 more. So we're getting these ones. Friday, you want to pick this up because there is a $2 digital coupon, and the rotisserie chicken is only going to be $3. I realize that this digital coupon is actually for the Open Nature brand, but perhaps it will work since it is a store brand. This is a definite pickup. It's only going to be $1.69 each, and it's limit 2. Pick this up on Friday because they will be 2 for $5 and $2.50 each for pizza. It's a really good price, and these ones are my favorite, as well as this barbecue chicken one. It reminds me of one from CPK. It's really good. Clearance on this. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? It's now 14.5 cents an ounce, when before it was that an ounce. Also, this one's on clearance. There are Pampers on clearance right now. We don't have any digital coupons, but this is what I'm talking about. Albertsons always discounts some really good stuff. So this is what we have in here this time. I'm not going to pick any up, but just want to let you guys know. That's cool. If you watched my video yesterday, then you know all about this. Look at formula is on sale right now. Check out the clearance, y'all. This will be $20, and if you have one of those coupons, and then there's digital coupons I know for this brand, definitely check it out. So I saw this. This is really, really, really cheap. So I'm going to pick one of these up for 99 cents for me and probably my mommy in case she wants one. I am off to pick up my freebie. Shop with me. Here it is. So we meet again, and oh, there's still some in here. So getting my Medi Wiper. Okay, so you will want to print this coupon on Planet Oat Milk website. I'll link it below. It's on sale this week for $2.49. The final price will be $1.49. There's also a coupon on their website for this, and this will make us only $1.49. I didn't print it out, but I definitely will be picking it up before the sale ends this week. They are playing good jams right now. Okay, so you want to pick up this as well. I have a $2 digital coupon for one, making this only 99 cents. Like I mentioned last week, this is back to $12.99 a pound. I'm trying to be good, but look at all these sweets that are discounted this week. So if you need anything, it is waiting for you to enjoy. Chicken, and this is the boneless kind, is $1.99 a pound. Definitely pick up 2, limit 4 packages this week. So I'm going to pick up 2 packages. Sorry that the fans are on for this, but I'm going to pick this 90% lean meat, ground sirloin. It's on sale from $8. Okay, so this is on sale this week. and we're going to Disneyland, so this would be nice if the boys get hungry. And I just really like how convenient these are. Okay, so this is on sale this week, and we don't have Monopoly, but you know what? This drink is really good, and from $3.99 to $1.49, I'm taking it. These are my favorite tortillas, so I'm gonna pick up these. They're part of the Fab 5 as well this week. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna get this, but that produce coupon's gonna come off. A Straw Nana Dream. It was really good, so it'll only be $1.99 after that produce coupon. So the Yoplait is on sale for 49 cents, and there's a digital coupon on coupons.com, which will probably attach to this since my card is linked. And also I have a digital coupon with Albertsons just for you app. If they're gonna pay me to get this, I'm gonna get 2 of them because I have 2 coupons, making this 99 cents each. I'm gonna get the Mexican as well. My son really likes them, and you know what? This one actually tastes like pina colada, so I'm gonna pick this one up and a couple more for them. There's an Ibotta rebate when you buy 6, so I'm picking up 6 for $1, and I will be getting $1.75 back on Ibotta. Going down the baby aisle. Look at those are on sale, but you can actually get the off-brand at the 99-cent store. It's only, I believe, $2.99. So, but this is a good price because compared to $8.99, I would rather pay that. Similac sent me this, and I need to use it. So whether it's for us and just having it on stock, $20 is a huge discount. So I'm all about it. So I'm going to pick one of these up. But as you can see, they aren't here. They are locked up. So I'm going to use it at the register. So I was looking, and there's an Ibotta rebate on this one. So this one's cheaper by $3, and then there's a $5 back on Ibotta. So no brainer. I'm going to pick up this one and put this one back. When you buy multiples of 5, the Powerades are 59 cents. And then there's that CRV deposit fee that you'll be paying. So this is a really good pickup. I'm picking up my free toilet paper from my rewards and shopping here so much. This is one of the things I wanted to redeem. So here's my haul. I'm back home. Everything seemed to work out for the most part, except for the chicken. I will be going back and contacting my store and just getting about $8 back for the chicken since it didn't come off for the $1.99 price. But my produce coupons, my Northern California coupons did come off, as well as my digital coupons for the Sargento cheese, the silk milk, and I'm getting back $7.75 from Ibotta for the 3 rebates that I did. The total would have been $185.16 for all of this. After my rebates and everything, I paid $64.76, and this is with formula. Once I get the $8 refund for the chicken that didn't go as smooth as it should have been, I will be only paying for all of this $56.76 or 97 cents per item. I will let you know how that goes. Howdy, I just wanted to update you about the $8. I called customer service instead of going to the store because gas prices and the drive is 20 minutes and it's just a busy day today. So they credited me a make good for $8. It will come off on my next transaction, which will probably be next week. And she did tell me that I am running low on my make good. So going forward, I probably will be just taking care of it and at the store customer service. I just wanted to let you know that everything ended up being 97 cents per item. And that's great with toilet paper and formula and meat, produce, all that stuff. So hope you're able to snag some great deals, and y'all have a good weekend. Bye.